Hey there. I'm Emily, a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, and a wellness professional, and I'm here to help you reduce stress, find balance, and improve your mobility at any age, any season of life. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to stay active, you are in the right place. This is going to be a 10-minute home walking workout, perfect for any time of day. And of course, sure to subscribe and hit that like button so you never miss a video. When you're ready, I'll meet you back here. Slip on your sneakers and let's get started. Right, so we are going to start by walking in place. I'm setting my watch so I can keep time for us. It's just under indoor walk if you're walking alone. We come back to this first basic move. So walk in place, take your time, see how it feels to feel in your body today. Maybe take some shoulder rolls in one direction, the other. So 4 basic moves. I like to keep things nice and simple. This is the first one. I'll show you the next 3 in a moment. But just start to energize. Start to get the blood flowing, your lymph flowing, feel that energy as it starts to move through. And I just want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video and pressing play and getting started on your healthy journey. It is a great honor to be a part of your wellness journey. And I just really appreciate anyone that I can support along the way. So great to have you here. We're walking. If you followed along with me before, you know that I have a dog rescue named Charlie. He is here. He is snoozing right next to me in his bed. So he might make an appearance, but I just didn't have the heart to wake him up this morning. So, all right, our next move is a knee lift. So engage the core. We're going to lift a knee. And then see if it feels okay to get the arms involved. Push the hands out. Yeah. Go at your range of motion. Again, we might just be warming up. Like me, it's first thing in the morning. They get a little blood flow. Energize. For 3, 2, 1. We always return to that home base. Walk in place right here, right now. If you ever need to take a break or grab a sip of water, please feel free to do so. And breathe. Check in with your breath. How's your breathing? Notice how you're feeling. Good job. Let's go for our next move. It's a kick. So we're going to kick a leg. You reach both arms out. Your pace, your range of motion. Here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back home, walk it out. My favorite part about these home walking videos or home walking workouts is, first of all, they're low impact, so great for the joints, but also very manageable. You can do this, 10 minutes a day, and you're going to get a great workout. You can also do a couple of these throughout your day. So you can sprinkle your day with 1 or 2, maybe even 3 workouts. And that will help you reach that goal of a 30-minute low to moderate activity that the American Heart Institute really emphasizes, especially for healthy management of heart, of the cardiovascular system. Yeah, just give it a try. Maybe just you have time today for 1 workout, and that's great. Very proud of you. All right, take a side step. Use the space you have. We're just going to out and back. Maybe you're feeling a little frisky. You could sink the hips down a little bit more. Stop. Pull the arms back as you do this. Face towards the back wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return back to your walk. Move your body in a healthy way every single day. Yeah. Get those happy hormones flowing. We got those endorphins come with exercise. Feel your body. You smile. Maybe you just naturally feel a little bit happier just by moving just a little bit here. I sure do. I can't help but smile sometimes. Having a great time. Let's take an inhale. Sweep your arms high. And then exhale, circle it around. Pick up the shoulders a bit here. Keep moving the lower body. 3, 2, and 1. that out, let it go. Swimmers, so we'll just alternate swimmers' arms. And if you want to follow along with me, maybe the arms go back. Expansion in the chest. The clavicles are nice and wide and open. For 3, 2, 1. And then just feel what it feels like to reverse those. Again, take your time. Go for a little twist here in the torso. All on some different muscles. 3, 2, 1. Take it out, let it go. Take your feet nice and wide. Good job. We're gonna go for a little kickback. We are 5 minutes in already. How much fun is this? So when you're ready, single leg kickback. Go ahead and kick and kick. More range of motion. If this is a little too much for your balance today, you might have a chair out in front. You might be doing this close to a wall. Put your arms up. Now arms are secondary, but if you want to join me, we're going to pull the arms down as the leg comes back. Full body workout. Everything's fired up. Even your mind, right? Great for coordinating balance between the brain and the body. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Return to that walk. Nice job. Check in with the breath. Take your talk test if you need to. So maybe say a couple words, 5 to 6 word sentence. Check in and see if you're winded. If you are, back out of it. Good. Your knee lifts. When the knees come up, reach both arms up. Knee up, knee up. Raise the roof here. Good job. 1, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Home base. Walk it out. Get the feet a little higher. Go a little faster if you can. Take our double side steps. So use the space you got. Step and step and step. Nice job. Now if you're working with a buddy, check in on your buddy. Run into each other. And I get that a lot. People are telling me that they work out with their partner, their friends, just their pets. Who are you working out with today? Maybe leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling, if you're enjoying this workout. Also, it just lights me up whenever I hear from other people. It really reminds me that we are making that positive change. So be the light, right? And share that light. For 3, 2, 1, walk it out. Coming up on 10 minutes. Couple more minutes to go. You get the legs a little higher. Get the arms going. We're gonna reach up, down, out, and back. Blow out that air, check in with your breath. Hope your heart rate's up, your breathing might be elevated. Get those happy hormones flowing. For 3, 2, and 1. Walk it out. So a 10-minute walk like this usually equates to about half a mile. Now everybody differs, but that is what comes up for me. And that's about 1,000 steps. Incredible, right? So good. So if you have a move goal or a step goal, you are contributing right now. 10 minutes, small incremental workouts throughout the day. I really can't say enough good things about that. You know, you just fit them in when you can. I know you're busy. You make it happen, right? And that's how you create that consistency and that positive change in your wellness. All right, give me some kicks. Alternating kicks. Kick and kick. We reach the fingertips out. Whew. Feels so good. I feel healthy and strong and active. All ages, all seasons of life. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Feet are going to come wide. Right into it here. Bring the feet back together. Then widen your stance. This time, give me a high knee. Lift a knee. Lift the knee. Maybe elbow comes towards opposite knee. Get the torso, get the core involved. Talk about the 360 core, front and back body. Home walking or just walking in general is great to protect your low back, to strengthen the muscles there, and also improve that mobility. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about home walking. Ooh, we are coming up on 10 minutes. Let's go. To feel a little higher, you want to add a little jog? Go for it. Get those last steps in here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, my friend. Great job today. Oh, start to cool down. We never skip our cool down, so take the feet wide for me. Catch your breath, grab some water if you need it. Just start by shifting the hips side to side. Extend the arms. Yeah. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. Find a standing pose. Step one leg behind you and then bend through the other knee. Moving into like a crescent lunge. I like my back heel lifted. It's up to you. And then tuck your tailbone in. Feel that length of your spine. Let's inhale. Exhale, fold over. Again, your range of motion. Start to bring that heart rate down, breath pattern down. Go ahead and step back forward. And then switch the other side. So stepping opposite like that. And then find that tuck in the pelvis, tailbone tucks. We'll inhale and exhale to hinge. If you want more stretching videos, this is going to be a short and sweet stretch right here, but if you want more, I do teach online yoga as well. So I'll leave a video up in the corner there, and you can click on that if you need a deeper stretch today. Step forward, shake it out, let it go. I'm going to take the feet wide here, and then find big circles. Reverse those circles if you're ready for it. Can't see him, but Charlie is having a dream. So he's kicking his little legs. It's wild. All right, one big circle, open the chest. Relax, release there. Nice job. We'll call it a day. How about that? Thank you so much for being here, and thanks for watching. And if you're ready to take the next steps in your wellness journey, you can book a free 15-minute discovery call with me, and let's chat about your wellness goals and how I can help you feel your best. So just click the link below to book your call, and I hope to talk to you again very, very soon. See you later. Bye-bye.